Welcome to 9742 Sunset Drive, a showcase of modern luxury with this custom-built home in the heart of Frisco's Creekside Village. Featured by the Dallas Morning News, this eco-friendly home boasts an 18-kilowatt solar system, 3 tankless water heaters, a commercial-grade TPO roof, 2 electric car chargers, spray foam insulation, and tinted windows for top-notch sustainability. Inside, enjoy double door entry, designer lighting, hardwood floors, electric motorized shades, a 5-zone speaker system, and soft closing cabinets and drawers in the kitchen and bathrooms. The covered patio features a cozy fireplace and glass doors that open completely for a seamless indoor-outdoor living, enhancing your entertainment possibilities. The large utility room offers a sink and ample space for storage or a second refrigerator. Spa-like bathrooms have walk-in showers. The master has a huge walk-in closet for ample space and storage. Enjoy nature with approximately 63 acres right across the street. This is Hope Park, Bi-centennial Park, and Frisco Commons. If you've been looking for an eco-friendly home full of upgrades and bursting with luxury style, this just might be the home for you. Click below to schedule a showing today.